Now we looked at all of these moves, high and low, okay? Now we're going to look at our locomotor. Can you say locomotor?
Locomotor.
How do we say we're going to remember it? Locomotor. Because we're moving around the room, okay? Locomotor, some of these are high, some of them are low. You know what? Let's say the high ones, I'm going to put purple next to. Okay? So we know, because they're already up there. And say the low ones, I'll put the pink next to so I know which ones they are. Okay? Okay. So, did we do these? Do we know how to do these?
Yes.
Did we dance these yet?
Yes.
All right. So let's move back and we're going to practice dancing them again.
We're gonna have more space.
Yeah, you know, we're going to do locomotor, so you guys are going to have to move over just a little bit. Alexis? Great. And come on over a little more.
Who bought it?
Over,
Sam.
move over.
Diego,
Cool.
Giovanni.
Okay, friends, make
Let's be
respectful
respectful,
choices. So we're going to remember the different ones. Walk. Can you repeat? Walk.
Walk,
Walk.
walk,
Run. Side step.
side step,
Okay. Crawl. Roll. Jump. Hop. And one of the other, oh, I want to add some more. Just two more.
Oh, we could walk
I'll
and
show you.
snap.
I'll show you.
Snap. Scissor.
Slither. Can you say slither? Slither like a snake.
Or like a cone.
Right. So we're going to think about, we're going to go in small groups. We can actually take turns in groups. And we're going to try each of these. But listen, last time we did them, right? We imagined, what did we imagine?
Walking.
We imagined something, right? We imagined being maybe an animal. We imagined being something else rather than just boys and girls dancing. We let our imaginations fly. We let our imaginations make us imagine something else. Just like you were doing with your
Body.
kite, right? And you're going to have to also look, because you're going to have to tell me, is it high or is it low? All right? Good. So my first group, maybe we can think about getting them in rows, and that way that each row is a group. Does that sound good? So Ricardo, you're up in front. That's good. Kenya's good. And so each of you, let's see, and then Mariah right here. Mariah, you're perfect. You guys are my first row. Then the second row behind them. Alexis, you're behind Ricardo. And Junior, get behind Kenya. Very nice.
Go behind Andrea. Go behind her.
Can you go behind her, please? Or maybe actually we can put 4 people, yes. So please line up, sit behind either Kenya, here we go, Andrea,
Julian, go behind
right?
Michelle. Go behind Michelle.
Yes. Ricardo or Mariah. Behind them, not
Diego.
next to them. Giovanni, you're next to them. You need to be behind them. Try it. So she's in a line behind them. Good.
And right here.
Ebony too.
Giovanni.
Good. And Diego, move over.
Sam, where's your spot?
Move over. Move over. Diego, you're not in the line right now, sweetheart. Can you
Behind
move in?
Alexis.
Nice. Now you are. Michelle, now you're ready. So let's count how many people are in each line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Are they almost the same? Everybody almost. Yeah, so there's a lot. 2 of you will kind of go by yourself in a small group. That's okay. So my very first group, Kenya, Andrea, Mariah, and Ricardo. Stand up. We're going to do the first one. Come here, let's think about it. Wanna hop? Okay.
No.
Okay, let's hop. If we're gonna hop, what are we imagining? What are we imagining? What are we imagining?
To stay like this.
What are we imagining to be a certain animal? You wanna jump,
No.
fly, roll?
No.
Okay, roll.
No.
Like what? What rolls? What things roll? Okay. All right. Okay, and they're gonna have to guess. So boys and girls, and this is Miss Noam gets to kind of sit with you and talk to you while we do this locomotor. Miss Noam, you're gonna ask them, what is it? Which one it is? What it might remind them of, and then what level it is. Is it a high or low level? Okay, are you guys ready, my friends?
Yes.
I'll do this one with you because it sounds like fun. Okay, so lay down. And let's be careful with our personal space. We need to spread out. We need to spread out. I'm over here. You guys are in your lines. So here, Ricardo, where were you?
There.
Then come here, please. Andrea, where were you? Then go there, please. Kenya, where were you? Then go over there, please. Andrea, where were you?
Mariah.
Come over here, please. So guess what? See how you guys, and lay down, lay down. Andrea, lay down.
Lay down.
You guys are going to roll this way and back. Can you roll like that?
No.
Turn your body. There we go. Good job. Now be mindful and thoughtful about where your feet are and where your head is. And I would suggest not rolling very fast, taking your time. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on down. Watch them, boys and girls.
Watch what they're doing. What are they doing? And what does it remind you of?
Okay. And keep going. Go back. Nice, and stop. Excellent job rolling. All right, come on back. Sit down. So boys and girls, what did you see them do?
Roll.
Roll, says Julian. And were they high or low?
Low.
What level were they at? Everybody should tell me.
Low.
Low? Okay. So they were low.
It's like you were rolling like a pig.
What did you imagine? What did you imagine?
Like they were rolling in a pig.
They looked like a pig rolling in what would the pig be rolling in?
the mud. In the mud.
In the mud?
Oh, baby,
I like the way you're using your imagination, Nathaniel.
They was rolling like a cylinder with around here and around on top.
High five from afar for the great connection. From afar. So look, boys and girls, I noticed that you have a cylinder, the blue cylinder that Nathaniel was talking about. And he said, you know what? We were rolling like cylinders. Look, cylinders roll. What other solid shape rolls?
A ball?
A ball or sphere, that's right. And there's one more over there that rolls. Look at that.
Basketball?
Mm-hmm, basketball, that's a sphere, correct. What about the pink one? What about the pink one? Does the pink one roll?
No.
Says right up there.
Soccer.
Rolls.
Soccer.
What do we call that? The cone.
Cone.
So look, those are all things that roll. Those are a lot of rolling things. Hey, friends who were rolling, were we thinking that we were rolling like pigs? No, what were we imagining?
Pigs. Dog?
You were maybe imagining a pig, but we were imagining something else. What were we imagining?
A dog was rolling.
We were imagining a cat.
Cat.
That's what we thought. But that's okay if you think something else. It means that you were using your mind to make a connection and using your imagination. Can I see the second row, which is Alexis, Jose, Abigail, and Junior? Okay, quick. And Miss Nuong's going to do it with you, and I'm going to sit over here with you guys.
Abigail, read it.
Ha, that was good connection, my dear. Keep that up.
That's what they go.
Okay. Are they going to be high or low? What do you think? Oh. Go back to where you were so you can sit and watch.
Oh, baby giant person.
Huh? Excuse you heard him say that, huh? How many of you think they're going to be high? How many of you think they're going to be low? Okay. Maybe. 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 All right, here they go. Watch, watch, watch. Let's watch.
What is this? What is it? No. What about it?
Just these ones.
But.
Junior, just these things.
Okay.
He's Max. Run.
Okay, ready?
What are they doing? Oh, can you guys do that again? We're gonna watch you. Ready? Watch them. What are they doing? Go ahead.
Okay, ready?
Go. What are they doing? Running. All right. Stop and freeze. Freeze in your run. Freeze in your run. Freeze in your run. Just like freeze. Yeah, there we go. Is his body high or low? What would you say? How many think he's running in a high place? How many of you think he's in a middle area, kind of in the middle? Boys and girls, how many think they're low? He's low.
Abigail?
I didn't see everybody vote, so I wonder. My friends who just ran, freeze in your running spots again, over here, so they can see you.
Ricardo, you're not in the group. Sit down, please.
Okay, freeze. They're running, right? They're in the middle of it. Okay. So boys and girls, high, middle, or low? What is it?
Hi.
What do you think, Julie?
Mariah, what do you think?
We're running like a big.
High or low? What are they?
We are.
Giovanni, are they high or low?
High or low?
Hi.
Okay.
Sam, what do you think?
Michelle, what do you think? High or low?
Hi.
High. Okay. Casey, are they high or are they low right now?
Hi.
¿Está alto o abajo?
Abajo.
Su cuerpo, ¿está arriba o abajo?
Arriba.
Arriba. Thank you, Casey. Good job. What do you imagine? What do you imagine they are?
Big.
What do you think?
Horses.
Horses?
Yeah.
What were we imagining? Alexis, what were you imagining? What were you imagining?
What were you, Alexis? You know, I think Alexis is waiting for the respect of her classmates.
That's right.
Giovanni.
I see Johnny and Ryan las cosas. So Beverly and Sam and Michelle.
Good.
And so Sam.
So now that Jose has your attention, Jose, what were you guys imagining?
Big horses.
Big horses?
Yeah.
And that's what you made a connection to. Wow. So we were clear.
Little horses, and then we grew up, so we was running like big horses.
So at first you were little horses and then you were big horses?
Yeah.
Show me your little horse run and then show me your big horse run. Boys and girls, let's watch their little horse run. Ready? Little horse run, go. All right, now big horse run, go.
Jose.
Ah. So at first they weren't high. At first, where was their bodies? Boys and girls, Jose, come back. At first, were they high or were they low?
Low.
Julian, but then they got a little bit higher with their bodies. That's right. Boy, you guys did a lot in one dance. You did 2 levels. That's very good. My next group is Ebony's group, you guys who are here in this row. Yes. Casey, you get to come up. Anthony, you get to come up. Casey, please come please come. Ay, vamos a bailar juntas, okay?
Yes, go.
Vamos a bailar, Casey.
So we do one. What do we want to try? Do we want to try? We rolled already. We crawl. Vamos a hacer algo más abajo, como crawl. ¿Cómo se dice crawl en español? Como gatear. What can we imagine? What can we imagine? ¿Qué podemos imaginar? Oh, you want to slither? Oh, o podemos ser víboras. Do you guys want to be víboras? Okay, so we can slither like a snake. Come over here, Casey, and Julian, and Anthony. Imaginen que son víboras y van a deslizarse. You're going to slither like a snake. Are we going to go high or low?
Abigail, is
Okay,
that be
here we go.
respectful for
Are
them?
we ready? There you go.
No.
Oh, they're so much better than I am. It's not a race.
Girls, this is not a race at all.
Friends, let's do that again because it's not a snake race. Come on, it's a dance. There's a difference between dancing and racing. One is we enjoy the way we do it because we want to do it. The other one is you want to get there first. You want to get it over with. Okay, try again. Just enjoy how they slither. Oh, nice.
Diego and Sam.
Good job, good job. I'm going to keep Casey here for a moment because she's in this shape. Vamos a ponerte en esa manera con tu cuerpo otra vez, como estabas. Vamos a ver qué tan alta eres, si eres alta o baja, ¿ok? Okay, boys and girls, look at Casey. Vamos a mirar a Casey like this. Go ahead, Casey, go down. Is Casey high or low with her body?
Low. Low.
Very low or just a little bit low? Really low. Estás lo más abajo posible, ¿verdad? Muy bien. Very good. Now, I did say the word while we were doing it. Does anybody remember what we called it that we just did? Can we
Feather.
Slither. Can we say that? Slither. Do you have a way of showing them the parts of a word? Or I heard somebody using something where they were like,
Yeah.
Okay. So, slither. Can you say that? Slither.
Snake.
Slither like a
Snake.
snake. Good, good. And do we slither high or do we slither low?
Low.
Low. Good job. Thank you, Casey. Excelente
It's like
trabajo.
slither.
Dame 5.
Slither
Puedes regresar a tu lugar, okay?
Vamos con slither too.
Who can
Worm.
slither? Oh, yes. We have some other possibilities. We could have been a worm. What else? What else? A worm and what else? What else is really low and slithers? Yes.
Snake.
Snake. That's what we were thinking. Estábamos pensando ser víboras, ¿verdad? We were thinking of being snakes. Thank you, Casey. Puedes regresar de donde estabas ahí, okay? Go ahead. Ve con Sarabi. Okay, Sarabi, go. She's gonna come with you. Dale, pues, vamos. You're doing a really good job. Now, did everybody get to dance or did I miss a group?
You missed.
You missed this.
One more group?
Yes.
Would you like to take this group?
Sure. So that would be Sam, Michelle.
I did that group.
Diego, did you go? Diego, you went, right?
No, it was only Mariah, Ricardo, Alexis.
Come on, Giovanni,
You got
you're
missed?
my
You
group.
didn't?
Mariah, did you go?
Everybody else except
Did
for
you go?
this
You went,
one
right?
in the back.
Come on.
I didn't
Michelle?
go.
Well, are you ready to go? Okay, come join us, please.
Oh, that's enough.
Mariah, did you go already?
I'll go.
You rolled. That's right, you rolled first.
Mariah was the first roller, that's right.
Carmen, did you go?
Are you gonna go? Good. All right. There's one last one.
Mariah's not gonna go with them.
Mariah's-
He was in the front.
She had a chance already. I realized that. So, I'm gonna come and sit with you. Go back to where you were. You're fine. Think about it. What do you think they might do? High or low? What do you think?
Maybe it's gonna be
Maybe roll, but we already rolled. In your mind, think in your mind what you think they might do. Okay, think that in your mind. Think that in your mind. Make a prediction. Make a bet. Say, I predict that they're going to, maybe they're going to roll. Okay, so turn around. Turn around and let's find out if your predictions are true.
I'm gonna say nothing. I'm gonna say nothing.
Okay. I like your sticker.
Are you ready? You guys have space? You guys have space?
Yes.
Sure?
Give some space.
Some space between you two.
Yeah,
You don't want to break anyone's bubble.
that's right. All right. Okay, let's watch, guys.
Okay, ready? Okay, over here. Okay, ready? Go.
What are they? What? They're not running. Watch them. Watch them. Wow. What are they doing?
I'm ready.
Hopping, jumping. Yes. Can you guys do it again? Because we're gonna imagine something.
I know they were
Do it again. Do it again. Friends, Nathaniel. Una vez más. Imagine. What can we imagine?
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Are you ready? Come on, you ready?
Like that.
Wait, Nathaniel.
Frogs.
Okay, ready? And, oh.
He didn't say go.
I know, I did say go. Michelle, you were paying attention. Yeah. Okay, try again. Yeah.
Wow. What do they imagine? What do you imagine?
Frog. Frog. I didn't want.
Remember, it's not a
Pedro has they're jumping like a kangaroo.
Okay, so let's turn to our audience. Turn to the
Turn to
audience.
your audience.
60.
Okay, friends, what did we see them do? Yes. Jose G. Were you were jumping? That's right. And a particular kind of a jump. We call it when it's on 1 foot or 2 feet and they come back on the same 2 feet. We'll call it hop. Yeah. So you guys were hopping. Can you guys say hop? Hop, hop. But what were they hopping like? What did you imagine, Jose? Friends who were just hopped. Just a moment. You know what, friends? Can you listen to what they have to say about your dancing?
Giovanni?
Because you're going to learn that you're going to notice that they saw something. They saw you hop, and what did you imagine? Yes.
They were jumping as a frog.
Maybe like a frog. What did Jose G think?
Kangaroo?
Kangaroos.
No,
What
a
did you
frog
think?
was like this. They were jumping. No, frog was like this.
Like balls that were what? Bouncing up and down? So look, those are 3 imaginary things that they imagined you to be. What were you thinking? What were you
A
thinking?
bunny.
You were thinking a bunny. Now here's the question. Is it high to jump or hop, or is it low to jump or hop? What do you think?
Kangaroo?
How many people think it was high? How many people think it was low?
Ricardo.
I don't see all my friends'
I want you
hands
to
up,
think.
so that means I'm not sure. Boys and girls. Try looking at it again. Just do your hopping in place. Ready? Go ahead. Try it.
Giovanni.
High or low? High or low?
High and low.
Okay. Okay, so guess what? Ebony thinks it's kind of high and low, depending on how low you go. If you're gonna jump and stay up here, then it's mostly high. But if you're gonna jump and come back down and jump and come back down and jump and come back down, it's high and low. Very good. So,
Look at them.
can you come and sit down at the carpet and let's take a look at these and decide which ones they are real quick.